Are you facing issues with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 not turning on or working? This usually happens because of battery problems, firmware issues, or device glitches. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a DJI Osmo Pocket that's not working or not opening. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check the battery. First, make sure the battery has enough charge, and use the official USB-C charger to charge your battery. Make sure to charge at least 30 minutes before testing. If the battery was fully drained, the Pocket 3 might take a few seconds to respond when powered on. Or you can try another USB-C cable or charger if it doesn't power on. Solution 2. Force restart. Press and hold the power button or record button for 5 to 10 seconds. Release and then try turning on normally. If it powers on, check battery level. If it's low, then plug the charger fast. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Remove micro SD card. Remove the micro SD card and try powering on. A corrupt or incompatible SD card can sometimes stop the camera from booting. Make sure your SD card is UHS IV30 or better. Solution 4. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Nemo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. And that's all for today. Hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.